Hi, friends. Well, it's Christmas week. I have been sick all week. So we haven't been able to do anything really special. So we had a quiet time. Julia is making us cinnamon buns. Preparation is on the way for cinnamon buns.
Tu sais que en fait, j'ai pas besoin de l'anider, hein, je vais le faire dans le mixing bowl. Hein.
Bah évidemment, ça sert à ça.
Bah oui. Donc, tu vois, c'est
What
tout
have
fancy.
you in your basket?
Okay.
This looks like it has worked.
Yes. So now
What it says is, you make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and pour in the milk and yeast. Using a spoon, bring the mixture together to form a dough.
Oula.
Whoop. What's going on? Cinnamon buns are on their way. Yeah, spreading a ton of butter on the on the pastry.
It's my
on the
first
dough.
time making cinnamon buns, but the dough looks great.
Dough looks great. I made the cinnamon sugar, which is probably the easiest part of all the recipe.
Emily's role is get the ingredients and make the cinnamon sugar.
Yes, I'm the assistant today. I'm the,
The
sous
sous
chef.
chef, ouais. Un peu pressé, mais bon.
Hey, it doesn't look bad.
Just have two tiny pieces.
Put them in one side. Put them in the little holes. There's one in front of you. Non, les coupe pas.
Pourquoi?
Bah, faut pas les couper.
Ben pourquoi pas, ça nous fait un peu de dough.
So, you're doing the glaze in the mixer. The cinnamon buns are ready to go in the oven. We are using the recipe of the Hummingbird Bakery, which is based in London, and we love their cooking books. They're our Bible for anything we do. It's my banana bread recipe. No swearing on video, please.
The oven needs to be clean.
Cleaned. So, how is it? Is it nicely golden brown?
Oh my gosh. Looks so good.
Looks good. So, you had to do the glazing for the second time because the first
I
one
had
was
to make it twice.
was
It
really
very
lumpy. But the second batch looks really good.
Yes, it's perfect. There's a couple of lumps, but I think it's going to be very good.
I have to say that it took most of the afternoon.
Oh, definitely.
Because I think you started about 1 o'clock
It is
making
now,
the dough.
What, 6?
It's 5:30 at the moment. Not edible yet because it's really hot. But yeah, it's gonna be ready soon for 6 o'clock tea.
I think it's gonna be tea plus dinner.
Yeah.
Cup of tea, a cinnamon roll, and dinner will be done.
Hello. What's the verdict on the cinnamon buns?
They're bloody hard work,
Mm.
but they're very good.
The tea?
I have never in my life tasted such a good, what are they? Cinnamon buns. Mwah.
No kissing.
They are really nice. We're having a nice cup of tea. And Basil wants to say hi.